We will learn how to create brush. Create brush from an image. Pick Object Selection tool. Create selection around flower. Go to Edit, define brush preset. Name this brush as your choice and hit OK. Brush has created. Disable flower image layer. Create a blank layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Reduce size of brush. Give stroke on blank layer. Change foreground color. And stroke with created brush. We have defined brush from an image. If you like video, then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.